In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial reports in QuickBooks, P&L, balance sheet. Whether you're checking profitability or confirming what you own and owe, these two reports give you a clear snapshot of your business health and are essential for reviews, planning, and tax time. Start by opening QuickBooks and looking to the left-hand panel. Click on Reports. This opens the main reporting center, where everything is organized and easy to find. Once you're in, go to the Standard tab. This is where QuickBooks keeps the core, ready-to-use reports most businesses rely on, including profit and loss and balance sheet. From here, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the report you need. Typing profit and loss or balance sheet will surface the exact options. Profit and loss shows your income and expenses over a period, helping you understand whether you're making money. Balance sheet shows your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time, which is key for understanding your overall financial position. Once you see the report you want, click on it. QuickBooks will start running it automatically. Depending on the size of your data, you may see a brief loading spinner. When it finishes, your report will appear with all the current data pulled in. Next, use the toolbar above the report to customize what you see. Start with the date range. For a profit and loss, choose a period that matches what you want to analyze: last month, last quarter, year to date, or a custom range. For a balance sheet, pick the as of date that makes sense, like the end of a month or fiscal year. Getting this right ensures your numbers line up with the time frame you're evaluating. You can also adjust the columns included in the report to make it easier to read and compare. For example, on a profit and loss, you can display totals only or break out columns by month or quarter to spot trends. On a balance sheet, keep columns simple and focused so the snapshot remains clear. The goal is to tailor the view so it answers your specific questions without clutter. That's all. Click Reports, go to the Standard tab, find and open the report, then refine it using the date range and columns. With just these steps, you'll have clean, accurate financial reports you can trust and explain with confidence.